boiler operation of fault detection, energy savings, and a decrease in pollution emission may result from improved boiler efficiency through controlled operation. Increasing boiler availability and lowering operating costs could enhance activity like plant maintenance. However, depending on the boilers, different intervals of suggested maintenance were required. In industrial boilers, the use of failure detection, diagnosis, and prognosis is crucial for root cause analysis, early problem warning, and operation optimization. Devices, the use for knowledge-driven, data-driven machine learning algorithms for FDDP, which enables the discovery of appropriate methods for particular application, improving efficiency, operability, and safety.
So, good day everyone. I'm Eugene Cadet Mercy Dexter from PIMSAT College's Dagupan campus. So today I will discuss a boiler starting failure troubleshooting. So the first is fuel inlet valve to the burner is in the closed position. The fuel line for the boiler burner consists of several valves located at the fuel tank. The valve suction the discharge valve or the valve before the boiler burner. Any of these can be in closed position, resulting in the starvation of the fuel. So the second is the line filter at the inlet of the fuel line for the burner is choked. The system runs is heavy oil, then there are jets of filter in the line getting choked. To avoid this, boiler system are normally built for changeover from diesel to heavy oil during starting and from heavy oil diesel during stopping. So the third is boiler fuel supply pump is not running. There are two main reasons for the fuel pump not running. Normally, when the pump are in pairs, the changeover auto system is kept in manual position, and if the operating pump trips, the standby pump will not start automatically. And the fourth is the solenoid valve in the fuel supply line and malfunctioning. The fifth is flame eye is malfunctioning. Photocell operated flame sensor fitted directly on the refractory to detect wherever the burner is firing or not. And the sixth is the air of steam ratio setting is not. And efficient combustion, air to fuel ratio is very important. The seventh is forced draft valve flaps are malfunctioning. For removing excess gases trapped inside the combustion chamber, forced draft valve or FDF is used for pre-purging and post-purging operation. The eighth is any contractor switch inside the control panel is malfunctioning. The boiler control panel consists of the several contractor and PLC cards. Even one contractor malfunctioning, the result is trouble with the boiler starting. The ninth is trip not percent. If any previous trip like low water level, flame failure, emergency stop, and etc. The 10 is the main burner atomizer is clutch. Main burner consists of an atomizer for efficient burning of fuel. If the atomizer is clutched by sludge and fuel deposit, then the burner may not produce flame and trip the boiler. The 11th is pilot burner nozzle is choked. A pilot burner nozzle is very small and can be blocked by carbon deposit and sludge, resulting in flame failure. Lastly is electrodes are not generating a spark. The initial spark for generating a flame is produced may be electrode.
Good day. The causes of marine boiler burner misfiring. Number 1 is insufficient fuel supply. Clogged filters can block fuel flow. Check and clean regularly. Incorrect fuel pressure or flow causes ignition problems or unstable flame. Faulty fuel pumps may lead to low fuel delivery or clogged nozzles, disrupting combustion. Number 2 is ignition system issues. Faulty electrodes or transformer may result in weak or no spark, causing misfires. Wrong spark plug gap or alignment affect condition leading to unstable or weak flames. Damaged cable or connectors can interrupt the spark, preventing proper ignition. Number 3 is combustion air supply. Blocked air intakes reduce airflow causing incomplete combustion and smoke. Malfunctioning dampers or fan disrupt air supply, leading to poor burner performance. Air leaks in the system lower combustion efficiency and flame stability. Number 4 is fuel quality. Contaminated or degraded fuel leads to smoky flames, poor heat, and burner damage. Incorrect viscosity or flash point affects how the fuel burns. Inconsistent fuel composition can cause unpredictable combustion.
The document outlines a four-step process for troubleshooting boiler burner misfiring. Check fuel supply. Inspect fuel filters, verify fuel pressure and flow rate, and examine fuel pumps for any malfunctions. Inspect ignition system. Check ignition electrodes, spark plugs gap and alignment, and ignition cables connectors for wear or damage. Evaluate combustion air supply. Inspect the air intake, check air dampers and fans, and detect and seal any air leaks. Assess fuel quality. Regularly monitor and test fuel for contaminants, ensuring it meets specified viscosity and flash points requirements. Marine boiler burner misfiring can be caused by issues with fuel supply, ignition system, combustion air, or fuel quality. To prevent risk, vessel engineers should promptly troubleshoot misfiring incident and take safety precautions. By following proper maintenance, conducting regular inspections, and implementing effective troubleshooting, engineers can ensure the smooth operation of boiler burners, optimize fuel efficiency, and prioritize the safety of the vessel and crew.
Boiler overheating. Overheating is always caused by the presence of some insulating medium between the furnace and water chamber. Causes. Number 1. High degree formation of scale, sludge, mud, and oil. Number 2. Poor water circulation. Number 3. Feed water shortage. Number 4. Local overheating. Number 5. Fault combustion. Number 6. Incorrect raising of steam. Number 7. Direct flame impairment resulting from this formation and local beijing. To prevent boiler overheating. Number 1. Test boiler water and give proper chemical treatment. Number 2. Properly blow down boiler water whenever necessary. Number 3. Regular cleaning of the furnace and chemical cleaning of the water side. Number 4. Maintain proper boiler water level. Number 5. Maintain efficient feed water pump and circulating pump. Number 6. Maintain proper fuel burning process, including burner cleaning. Number 7. Maintain proper function of boiler safety device.
In conclusion, boiler fault detection using IoT, AI, and real-time analytics enhances safety, efficiency, and cost savings by identifying issues early, like leaks and efficiencies. Challenges include data quality and system integration, but advancement in AI and hybrids models promise improved reliability and predictive maintenance critical for sustainable operation.